The ELLIPAL X card uses NFC as the final, brief communication step in a process that is otherwise air-gapped from the internet, making it highly secure. The private keys are the most critical part of your crypto security. These keys are created and stored offline inside a common criteria EAL6 Plus secure chip, the highest level of security found in bank cards. This chip is a digital vault. When you want to send crypto, you first use the ELLIPAL app on your smartphone to create and prepare the transaction details. This transaction is unsigned, meaning it is not yet authorized. Your phone is connected to the internet, but your private key is not. Next, you enter your secure PIN into the app. This PIN acts as a password for your card. You then briefly tap the X card to the NFC area of your phone. The NFC connection provides just enough short-range, wireless power for the card to briefly wake up and receive the unsigned transaction data. Crucially, your private key never leaves the EAL6 Plus secure chip. The card's internal secure chip uses your private key to mathematically sign the transaction inside the card itself. This process proves you authorized the transaction without exposing your key. The signed transaction data is then sent back to your phone via NFC. The phone, which is connected to the internet, now broadcasts this signed transaction to the blockchain. The transaction is validated and completed. If the card is lost or stolen, it is protected by the PIN. 10 incorrect PIN attempts will trigger a data self-destruct mechanism, permanently wiping the card's contents. This combination of air-gapped setup, chip-level private key protection, and PIN-protected NFC signing ensures maximum security against online and physical threats.